The import feature allows admins to import many entities at once with a streamlined experience. First, you will need to click the New Import button. Then click the Import card for vehicles. You can download a sample CSV file and fill that out. Once that is complete, you will upload the CSV file. Click Next. You will map the system headers with the header from your CSV file. As you can see, these are mandatory. There are many more. Once that is done, you click the Next button. Here you will resolve any conflicts that you may have. So in this case, we have a duplicated license plate number, so we can correct that. Once we have corrected all of the conflicts, we click Validate. If we're satisfied, we start the import. The cron that executes the import runs every 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes, it'll attempt to import the 4 vehicles. And whatever has failed will be noted here, and created will be noted here.